Welcome back to Scube Wealth Grid, your go-to destination for building smart money habits and financial resilience in a rapidly changing world. Today, we're diving into one of the most important survival strategies of 2025, how to build a second income stream without quitting your job. Let's not sugarcoat it. The days of relying on a single paycheck are over. Inflation is eating into your savings. AI is replacing jobs faster than people can retrain, and economic uncertainty is the new normal. But here's the truth most people don't realize. You don't need to make a drastic career change or invest lakhs of rupees or thousands of dollars up front. You just need to start where you are, with what you already know. Look at your current skill set. Maybe you're great at writing, teaching, editing videos, consulting, or even organizing digital content. Package that into a freelance service on Upwork or Fiverr, or start a personal Instagram page around your niche. You could create and sell digital products like ebooks, Canva templates, online courses, or even a subscription-based newsletter on Substack. The digital economy rewards those who share knowledge, not just those with big audiences. Focus on solving a real problem, even for a small group, and be consistent. Then there's the power of passive income. No, not the get-rich-quick kind, the strategic kind. Explore dividend stocks, REITs, or apps like Fundrise and Grip Invest that allow micro-investments in real estate. These platforms let you invest small amounts but still earn passive returns. And don't overlook affiliate marketing, print-on-demand stores, or even renting out an unused room or vehicle. The goal isn't to become a millionaire overnight. The goal is to build financial armor, a secondary stream that provides peace of mind and long-term leverage. Even if you start earning Rs 10, 000 or $200 a month and reinvest that into assets, over time, you're building serious momentum. In 2025, the new financial power move isn't about a bigger salary, it's about more streams of income. If your job disappears tomorrow, your lifestyle shouldn't. That's the mindset. And here's the key. Don't wait to be ready. Start messy, start imperfect, but start. Whether it's recording your first tutorial, launching your Etsy store, or investing your first Rs 500 or $10, you're doing more than 90% of people who are still stuck hoping things go back to normal. The truth is, normal isn't coming back. A new economy is here, one where creativity, independence, and digital leverage win. And if you're wondering where to begin, we're going to guide you through it step by step. So hit that subscribe button for Scube Wealth Grid, because this is just the beginning. In our next video, we'll explore why India is becoming the financial epicenter of the next decade, and how positioning yourself right now could unlock massive wealth as global attention shifts eastward. You do not want to miss it.